this morning, and what you figure, you had a rain this morning for the first time in over 2 weeks. So isn't that the way it works sometimes? But right now, I'm gonna guess the temps around low 60s. I didn't check. I'm gonna guess 62 maybe. Got one of my vents open. Feels like air conditioning. And the truck loves this cool air. It runs a whole lot better than this cool air. But anyway, just heading on down the road here. Enjoying a almost fall day. Good. Overslept. Gonna meet up with some buds for breakfast. So good thing they got donuts here today. I think I'm gonna load up on some of them. Some lifer juice. Get this old body going. But, oh man, this truck is just running so good. Looks like it's going to come down more. I don't know how long it'll last. Anyway, I'll try to take some bids of some of the fine vehicles that'll show up at this. Today it's at I don't know if I mentioned it or not. It's at a local Baptist church right down the road from me, a couple miles. And we talk about doing it. We did it once and it was very successful. But we got so many other projects going on, I guess we can't squeeze it in. But we talk about we're going to do it one of these days. Doing that round to it. That round to it gets more elusive the older we get, don't it? But anyway. And like I say, this truck loves to run in cool weather. Right. I don't see many of them.
Hey man,
Hey, how you doing? Howdy. Well, here's some nice antiques. That dude's tracked. Hit and miss. See if I can get out of the shadows there. An engine that big may only be 5 horsepower, but the torque would be outrageous. Well, hey, pretty lady.
And we really do appreciate that. And we hope that you will take time to visit with those stores. They have some really interesting, wonderful products. They have a wide variety of products. They have everything from fudge candy to escalators. Right. But anyway, that's what I'm trying to say. But anyway.
Shame none of them are running right now. Nobody around. Now that 8N is too pretty to work. Look at all that chrome on this dude.
Moving upstairs, lots of students.
Even the seat pan. Oh yeah.
Future Farmers of America, by 4-H'ers, by Skills USA students, that deal with trade and industry.
And that little dude looks like he's ready to work.
Too numerous to mention, but some very, very nice.
They come and smell it and say when you're little, you know, take it to the
All right, I hope y'all enjoyed that little cruise and excursion or two. I would have taken more videos at that Cars and Coffee, but I got to yapping so much I didn't even whip my phone out. And so anyway, I really didn't intend it to be a video on that, but now in hindsight, I should have taken more. But maybe next time. I've got a couple car shows coming up, one of which I'm actually a judge in, so perhaps I'll take some vids at that one. Also at that TVA&I fair, I included those antiques because I really enjoy them. Just wish somebody would have been around to fired up a couple of them hit and miss engines. I really love to hear them things run. One thing that I got a lot of questions on the finish on this old Chevy truck here. A lot of people, especially the older ones with patina, wanted to know how I got such a good shine. Well, if you've watched any of my earlier videos where I tried linseed oil, which worked pretty good, but as soon as you started washing the vehicle, it would wash off. It lost its luster after one wash, and after about 2 washes, it's gone, you know. So I wanted to try something different. At some car shows, I noticed some guys, they had a real good patina finish, shiny patina finish on their old vehicles. And I asked them what they used, and they said Poppy's patina, and like Poppy's here, okay. And I said, well, you know, I think I'm gonna give that a try. And so I ordered a kit that did just enough to do 2 coatings. And I didn't apply the first coat per the instructions, so it didn't last very long. This one I did exactly per the instructions, and so far after 1 wash it doesn't even look like it's lost any luster at all. So I don't know. Poppy's is not a sponsor. Now Poppy's, if you want a sponsor, hey, I'll let you. But here's kind of a neat thing that I noticed when I coated it this last time. I left inadvertently. I left about a 1/4 inch of it at the bottom of the bowl that I used to mix it, because it's a 2-part mixture that you mix together, and an activator and the actual product, I guess. And I left it in there overnight. I didn't even think about cleaning it, you know, dumping it. And you can't save it, I don't think, because, you know, once it starts hardening, that's it. But anyway, next day I come out and I noticed it had dried at the bottom of the bowl, and I just peeled it up, and this is it. So this is what it looks like, right? Almost like a plastic, isn't it? A clear plastic. So this is kind of the finish that Poppy's puts on there. It's kind of elastic to a point, and then it'll rip. Hey, look at that. There you go. But anyway, isn't that neat? That is the actual coating that's on that truck. So anyway, thought I'd just throw that in there. Still maintains the strong smell too. So it is like a clear coat finish. How long? I don't know. But so far it's lasted through 1 washing. So anyway, I guess that'll do it. Hope everything's going good with you and yours. Everything's going good here. Can't complain. Won't do me no good to complain anyway. Just carry on and take care of that business. So have a good one, and I hope to see you around on the next one. See ya.